Well, I'm going to show you how to make a lasso. To make a lasso, you will need chenille needle number 20 and a piece of buttonhole thread or a very strong thread. This one is just a blue one, so you can see it better. But a buttonhole thread would look something like this. This is one of the brands you can find. And so what you are going to do is cut 6 inches length of the thread, pass it through the eye of the needle, one side, and then the other side on the other way, on the other side of the eye of the needle, like that. And that is your lasso. You're going to hold it like that always. Hold it very strongly and holding the two ends of the thread so that they don't come out when you're pulling through the fabric to take the threads to either side of the fabric